Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create menu, categories, and blog posts in your WordPress blog or WordPress website. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you'll be notified. This channel talk about how you can create a beautiful website using WordPress. So if this is the type of content you like, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number one thing is let's know what a menu is. A menu is what structure your website so that your visitors will know where to navigate when they come to your website. Take for instance, this is our website now. This website doesn't have menu except this sample page. So your menus will appear here so that when your visitors come to your website, they can be able to do what? They can be able to visit any page they like. Here they can be able to visit any page, they can see it over here and navigate to any place they like in your website. Now, what is a category? A category is a way of structuring your posts so that maybe you are writing in different topics, so you structure your post so that your post will be formatted and structured in different topics. So now, for that reason, so let's get started. So now let's get started. So now let's talk about how you can create your categories. So now you come to post, you see you create categories, you click on categories. Now let's create our first category. Let's create tech. We write on tech. So now you leave the slug empty, then you click on add category. You see it has been added here. Then you can change this category from uncategorized. So what you are going to do is you do what? Quick edit. You do what? Let's change it to movies. Then you change the slug to movies because this one has already been created. You click on update category. So you have two categories. Now let's create another one. Telecom. So you do what? You add telecom. Then let's create another category. Relationship. So let's assume you are talking about all these things. So you have created 4 categories. So now these are your categories. So now whenever you are creating a blog post, you are going to do what? You are going to put them in different categories that they're supposed to be structured. Maybe you write a relationship article, you put it in relationship category. Then in your menu, you structure it so that people that wants to read about relationship will just come to your website and see relationship and go to all the posts related to relationship. So now let's talk about how we can create pages. So you come over to pages, you click on all pages. So you need most important pages for your blog. So you need about us page, you need contact us page, so people can contact you, people can know about you. So you come over here, let's create the pages. You need the privacy policy page, so let's create the page. So now click on add new. So you come over here, the page title, let's say about us. You click on publish. So the page has been created. The page has been created. You go back again. Then you click on add page. Then you can create a contact us. So you click on publish. Then the page will be added. So now you go back, you can add more pages. So this particular page has not been published, so let's just use quick edit and what? You come over here, you do what? You click on publish, you update. So I think we have 4 pages now, sample page. So let's change this sample page to blog. So you change this log because it has been published already. So now the blog this log should start on with small letter. So these are your pages. So now we have created pages. So far we have known how to create menus and we have known how to create pages. Now it's time for us to create blog post. So you come over here, you click on add post. Now you click on add post. Now some of your if you some team or some team may not be formatted like this, but this particular team is formatted like this. So however your team is formatted, you just know that it's going to have title and it's going to have this particular section where you can type in your text. So here now you are going to add your title. So now this is the best way I use to creating my blog post. I don't create blog post inside this particular place. I create it using Google Docs. So I create my blog post and format it in Google Docs. So then I'll copy the blog post from this Google Docs and post it in my website. That is how I create my blog post, the easiest way. So but you can actually type in your blog post inside that place, but maybe you created it, you can use your Google Docs or Microsoft Word to create your blog post and format it inside that Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Then you now copy it and just paste on your website and let it be live. Take for instance, now this is the blog post I have written for this particular tutorial. So now you come here, anywhere you want to, any particular heading you want to choose, so far it is inside your blog post, you come over here, click on this normal text, you click on heading 2. If you are using Microsoft Word, do the same thing. You change the particular any heading you choose it to be heading 2 or H2 as the case may be. So this is anyone you want to make heading, you choose it to be heading 2 so that it will be formatted for better SEO ranking. So it will be formatted for better SEO ranking. Without you choosing heading 2, you are not going, your post is not going to be well optimized for SEO. So you know what I mean by SEO, where you can rank better and get people to know about your website. So you see how I'm formatting this particular one. I'm choosing all my heading to be heading 2. So you are going to see what is going to happen when I publish it. So all these things, you format it and structure it the way you want. So now you format it. If you want to create a bullet point, maybe I want this thing to be in bullet point, I will just do what? I'll put it in bullet point here. So yes, I did it here. So this is how I create my blog post. I create it in my, Google Docs, then I copy it and do what? Paste on my website. So make sure that all your headings, major headings, are in H2. Then you can also choose H3 for minor headings, but make sure your major headings are in H2. That is heading 2. So once we are done, then it's time to do what? Copy this particular post. I'm done creating the post, so I will just copy the post. Then I'll come back to add post. Then I'll click on here. Then I'll do what? I'll paste it. So you can see that my formatting has been taken. So if you click this thing now, you can see that automatically the WordPress has picked this particular heading as H2. So you can equally come over here and change the heading to H3 or whatever you want, but automatically the WordPress has chosen it as H2. So my format has, you can see that this particular format has also been picked. So all my formatting has been chosen. So now you can see it. So now let's go and add the title. So now it's time to add my title. So I'll just paste my title here. I've already prepared a title for it. So this is my post title and the description and the article. So now maybe you want to add a video or image. Then if you want to add the image, by default your post will be somewhere like this. So you click on, if you see something like a block like this, you click on post. So the image you are going to, maybe now let's come to our website now. You see there is supposed to be an image to show here. That image to show is called the featured image. Whenever you share it on social media, the image that will show is called the featured image. So for you to, you have to add that featured image over here, so that whenever you post it, that image will be showing. So you must add it. Then you can add, maybe you want to add the image logo of all these particular hosting provider that I choose over here. Maybe Namecheap, I want to add their logo. You now click on it. Then this is the list. So sorry. You click on this particular place. You enter. You see a box. So that you can see a box. Inside this box, you do what? You click on this particular button. So maybe you want to add image. So you click on that particular button. You see image here. You click on image. So now you click on upload or media library. So you have to upload your image from your in your own case, you might have not have uploaded the image on your server, so you need to upload this from your media library. So from your device or media library. So there's no, you see there's no image here. So now for you to get it, you now have to upload it from your device. So but I'll show you how to upload image, because I don't have image to upload for this particular. So I will just delete this particular box. So I will upload image, but I don't want to upload image for this. So but what I want to show you now is, I want to first of all upload video, because I have already made a video on this. So I made a video about this particular topic on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I go to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. So make sure you search for, this is my YouTube channel, search for it on YouTube and subscribe. So these are my videos. You can see I have a lot of videos over here. So this particular channel is mainly focused on everything about WordPress and technologies. So now this is the video that I made for that particular store. So I'll just click on share. Then I will now copy my link. This is my share link. Then I'll just copy the link. So now I'll now come over to my blog post. Then I want to add my video after this particular introduction. So I want to add a video. So now I'll do what? Click on this particular place. I'll search for video. So I'll click on video. Then I'll click on insert URL, video URL. So you can see now, that is how you can add your YouTube video in line your post. So I'll click on enter. Then you can see my video has been what? Added to my. So you can see that this video has been added inside this particular blog post. So if you are reading this blog post and you want to go straight to watch my video, you can just watch it over here. So this is how you can add your video inside your blog post. So let's also add an image. So maybe I want to add an image over here. So now I'll now click on this particular, I'll click on image. Then once I click on image, I'll now click on upload image. So now I'll select the image from my media library. So I'll still click on it. So I'll select the image. So now you are going to see the image will do what? Will appear, will load over here. So any image you want to use, maybe you have screenshots you want to use to explain, or you have images you want to use to explain the video, this is how you can add that image inside your post. Now I want this image to be the featured image of this particular blog post. So what will I do? I'll come to this particular place at the root post. I will now click on set feature image. So now I will choose this one in my media library, but in your own case you want to choose another image. You click on upload file, then you click on select file. Then it will take you to your library, to your into your device library. Then you can upload from your device. So but in my own case, I want to use this one that has been uploaded, because once you upload an image, it will be saved. So I'll use it and I'll click on set feature image. So now this particular image is the image that is going to be appearing whenever I share it on any social media, or whenever somebody visits my blog. This is the image they are going to see. Then once you are done, this particular article is a tech related article. So therefore I'm going to choose a tech category. This is how that is why you need to know about category. This is a tech. So if I wrote about movies, I will now choose a movie category. If I wrote about relationship, I will now choose relationship category. You can equally create a category from here. You just click here to add new category. you write the name, don't add any parent, just write name and do what, click on add. Take for instance, I want to create about sports, so I'll just put sports, put add category. The next thing that you are going to see is that sports has appeared here. You can see, so you can add category from here. So once you are done, you click on publish. Your post is published. So now let's come back to our website, then we refresh our home page. You can see how well structured this particular blog post is. You can see it well structured. Well, this is how you can create a very perfect structured blog post for your website or your blog, WordPress blog, WordPress website. So this is it. So by default, you can see the menu has already appeared here, because by default this particular theme by default creates this particular menu for you. So but I'm going to show you how you can create this menu by yourself without any team. Maybe your own team doesn't create the menu for you. You are going to create the menu and even structure it, because now this particular you want your contacts to be here. So this particular menu just structured it the way they want. So you want it to be structured the way you want it. So I'll show you in a minute. So now you can see the blog post. Now let's click on this particular blog post. Let's see what we wrote. So now you can see how structured. The structure of your blog post depends on the theme you use. So this particular theme is majorly for blog. That is why it filtered my blog to look very beautiful. So that's why choosing theme is very perfect. So I made a video on how you can choose the best theme that so for your blog or website. So you can check the link in the description or check the channel. You are going to see that video, so you know the theme that you can choose that can be able to be compatible with all these things. You can see now, you can see it. So this is how structured the blog post is. You can see that every structure, so the bullet point, everything came out, so people can equally comment. So this is how you can create your blog post in your blog, WordPress blog or WordPress website. So now let's talk about how we can now create that menu. So you now come back here. Now you come back, then you come to appearance. You click on what? Menu. This is how we can create menu. So you come to appearance, you click on menu. So now how to create menu? You come here, you name your menu. Let's say main. So this is going to be our main menu. So this is going to be our main menu. So now display location, you choose primary. This is going to be your primary menu. Then you are going to display it on mobile, because this particular theme you can choose different menu for mobile. So you choose for mobile. If you want to display it on the footer of your website, you choose it, but I suggest you create another menu for footer of your website, because majorly what you need to put in the footer of your website should be your legal pages, privacy policy, terms and conditions. So you click on create menu. So you click on create menu. So once we are done creating the menu, the next thing you are going to do is do what? You can select, you click on, you view all your pages. So you select the pages. So you want your home page first, you want about us page second, you want contact third, blog fourth, and privacy policy fifth. You can equally add these categories to be in your menu. So you see, you can add categories to be in your menu. You see, you can add them to be in your menu. Then you click on add. So once you have added them, so okay, sorry, this added, it went and added only category. So you come back again, then you click on add to menu too. So once you have added everything, you click on save menu. Then you do what? You come back to our website, then we refresh our website. So you can see that everything appeared here. But in some cases, the name of your menu might be long. So hey, this thing is going to be junky. So for you to structure it, let me tell you what you are going to do. So what you are going to do is, you are going to do what? You are going to do what? You have a drop down, what we call drop down. So what you are going to do is you come to menu. Now you want maybe you want when people come to your website and they come to under your blog, then they are going to see all these particular categories. So what you are going to do is you move your blog down, then you're going to do what? If you click on this, you shift it, you click on this, you shift it, it will change and write sub item. You shift it, you shift it, you shift it, then you do what? You save. So once you click on save, watch what is going to happen now. You refresh. So once you refresh, now once you refresh, then you are going to see that you only have 5 menu. But when you come to blog, you are going to see a drop down. You are seeing a drop down. Once you come there, you are going to see a drop down, so people can come over here, and now when they reach your blog session, they are now going to see a drop down of all the categories that they can view. So you can use this way to structure your menu. Maybe you have like 20 categories, you are writing down 20 topics. Instead of all of them to be here and make this place not looking good, you do what? All of them, you do what? Use a drop down. So now, like we have written on text, so once you click on text, you are seeing that this particular post only shows in text. So all the posts you have written on text is going to show here. So this is how you are going to be, you can be able to create your menu, you can be able to create your blog post, you can be able to create your pages, you can be able to create your categories. So if this my video has helped you, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. So now I created, if my videos, any of my videos helped you and you are impressed, so I want you to support me on coffee.com. so the link will be in the description. So or you search for coffee.com/controlbydigital.com, you will land on this page. This is for fan support, so a little support, it means a lot to me. So you can come over here, click on tip, then you can enter any amount you want to gift, or you can choose it to be a recurring monthly gift. So you can choose it to be a recurring monthly gift, then you choose it, then you click on tip. You can leave this place empty if you don't want, so you can leave it empty. You click on tip, then you can select how you want to pay. So that is how it works. So you pay, you enter your email and do what? Click on pay now, then you have gifted me, and thank you for gifting me, thank you for supporting my channel. You can also do it over here. Then you can scroll down my new videos. I will also do my best to be posting my new videos here, so that if you came here, you will also see other videos that you have not watched, so you can come follow from here and go and watch that video. Thank you for supporting me, thank you for supporting my channel, thank you for liking my video, thank you for watching my video, thank you for being the part of my journey. Thank you very much. Then if you want a one-on-one consultation, maybe you want a website audit, security audit, any website audit, you want audit and report, so my link to book my consultation will be in the description. One-on-one consultation, so that I can help you audit your website and give you the report, or I can help you guide you on how you can get your domain from beginning, your hosting, and install your WordPress and start designing your website. So the links for the consultation will be in the description, so you go ahead and check it out and do what? Contact me through that link. And if you want done for you services where I take charge of getting your domain, getting your hosting, and designing your website from beginning to the end, the link will also be in the description, so you check the link out and contact me. So if you have watched to this end, I want you to drop the challenges you have in the comment, your observation or question you have in the comment. I reply to any comments, I respond to any comments, I read all the comments. So drop it in the comment section so that we can also talk about it in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video so that other people that are in need of this particular video will watch it and fix whatever they want to fix in their WordPress website. So thank you for watching. and have a nice day.